Are you tired of missing out on your friends' birthdays? In this video, I will show you how to enable birthday notifications so that you'll never miss out on wishing somebody special a happy birthday again. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap Notifications. And then scroll down a bit and tap Facebook. And then toggle on the switch next to allow notifications. Once you've done that, exit the Settings app and open up the Facebook mobile application. And then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the Settings and Privacy page, tap where it says Notifications. Then scroll down and tap Birthdays. So now what you want to do next is toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. And then you can customize where you want to receive these notifications. And at the bottom, you can toggle on these switches to receive notifications for upcoming and belated birthdays. So go ahead and toggle this on. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.